Hello everyone, welcome to Codersarts. This is the first video in our Gradio library tutorial series. In this video, we will discuss Gradio library, which is powerful Python library that has gained significant attention in the machine learning and deep learning communities. We will see what the Gradio library is. We will discuss about its features, and then I will show you practical demonstration what actually do Gradio library. And then at last we will discuss about its deployment options, and by the end of this video you will not only understand what is Gradio library but also know about its features and what are the deployment options available. So let's start. So what is Gradio library? Gradio is an open source Python library, as I told earlier, that allows you to quickly build easy-to-use customizable UI component for your machine learning model. Any API or even an arbitrary Python function using a few lines of code. You can integrate the Gradio GUI directly into your Jupyter notebook or share it as a link with anyone. Gradio is a great tool for beginners because it is easy to use and requires no prior knowledge of web development. It is also a powerful tool for experienced developer as it allows you to create highly customized web application. Now let's talk about its features. First is simple and easy to use. Gradio make it easy for you to create interface for your machine learning model without getting bogged down by complicated stuff. You just focus on your model and Gradio take care of the user interface part. Second is support for various input and output types. Gradio is like a multi-talented assistant. Gradio can handle different kinds of inputs like text, images, audio, and video. It can also show you various types of outputs such as text, images, and plots. This makes it great for all sorts of machine learning tasks. Third is compatibility with popular deep learning framework. Gradio works nicely with popular tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. So if you have already got models trained with these, you can easily use them with the Gradio library. Fourth is real-time updates. With Gradio, your model can give prediction in real time. This means when people are using your application, they can see prediction right away, like they upload a pictures. Fifth is interactivity and customization. Gradio lets you make your model interactive. User can put in data and instantly see what happens. Plus, you can make the interface look and behave the way you want for your application. Sixth is scalability and performance. Whether your application is small or big, Gradio can handle lots of people using it at the same time. It's built to be fast and there are tricks to make it work well even when lots of people are using it. Seventh is community and open source. Gradio has a bunch of people who use it and help make it better. You can find guides, explanations, and example online. And the cool part is it's always getting better because people keep sharing ideas and improving it. Here you can see I write a few lines of code. Import libraries, then load the pre-trained model, and then download human-readable labels for ImageNet, which allow us to map the model's prediction to meaningful class label. After that, we define a function that classify an image into our top 3 categories along with their confidence scores. These functions will be at the core of our interactive application. With the classification function in place, we create the Gradio interface. This interface allows user to upload an image and the model will classify it into the top 3 categories. Here we launch the interface. When you give the machine learning model a picture of a fruit, it tells you what it thinks the fruit is. Here I am uploading a picture of fruit and the model saying that 80% chance it's a banana. Only 1% chance it's zucchini and another 1% chance it's something else. Customizing interface. Gradio isn't only for making machine learning applications, it's awesome for making interactive demos too. And the cool part is you can make your interface look just how you want them. You can move things around, add descriptions and labels, use ready-made parts to make the user experience even better. So it's not just about the machine learning stuff, it's also about making things feel exactly how you look like them. Deployment options. Gradio make it breeze with different deployment options. You can deploy it local system and on cloud by sending your model to the internet, making it accessible to anyone anywhere. And for the ultimate simplicity, there are shareable URLs, like handling out a special key that instantly bring other to your model. So that's it for today. In this video, I have provided you with the basic introduction to Gradio and showed you a practical demonstration of what Gradio can do. We explored its features and a live image classification demo, and even talk about how can deploy your models. Stay tuned for our next video where we will see a new topic on Gradio. Thanks for watching.